Hi guys, Nissan NV200, how to remove the cruiser. So first I need to remove this plastic. This is pretty easy. You need to pull this plastic down the bottom in here on one side and the other side, and actually pops off pretty easy. Remove it. How you can see, the car is a wee bit dirty, but it's not mine car. I need to unscrew 3 bolts, one in here, the next one is down the bottom in here, and the third one is in here. I need to unscrew this screws and I can pull a cruiser towards me. So now everything is loose. Just we need to remove this plug. We need to press in here. Here is a clip and pull the plug. You can use a flat screwdriver to remove the plug. Thank you very much guys for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and welcome to leave me a comment and like my video. Bye.